Good afternoon and welcome back to the Alameda Free Library. Thank you for joining us on Foodie Friday. Today we're going to learn how to make these cute little horse cookies. We're going to start with a small wafer cookie. And we're going to use some writing gel. I'm using a black color. You can use a brown color also. And we're going to make a happy face right on our cookie with two lines for eyes and then a big smile. Perfect. This is going to be our horse's nose and mouth. So we're going to put this on the side for right now, and he's going to hang out until later. Next, we're going to bring out our sandwich cookie. We have an oval-shaped sandwich cookie. And the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to make our ears. So again, I'm going to use my writing gel, and I'm going to make two triangles up top here. 1, 2. Those are going to be our horse's ears. Next, we're going to give him his mane, and we're going to use frosting for that. I have a tube of black frosting. I'm going to hold my cookie steady and just give him a dollop of frosting for his beautiful mane in the front. Just like that. Next, we're going to put on his eyes. And I have 2 of these cake decorating eye candies. I'm going to take my writing gel again and put a dab on the back, and this is going to act as a glue. I'm going to put one eye down and do the same with the other. Put a dab on the back. You don't need much, that's it. Next, I have a piece of pull-apart licorice. And I'm going to wrap that about there. Carefully pick up your cookie, and you're going to seal it together behind your cookie. It'll stick to itself. See? And then lay it back down. And lastly, we're going to pick up that happy face that we made before. I'm going to turn it over. I'm going to use a little bit of frosting this time because it's a bigger cookie. Put a little bit of frosting on the back, and that's going to act as my glue. Turn it over. Careful not to mess up that happy face. And push it down. And there you have it. You've just made a horse sandwich cookie. Enjoy.